If you want to add and subtract decimals, just click the right video. In this video, we will learn how to add and subtract decimals. By the end of this video, you will know that it is very easy. So don't skip the end. And let's start. So we have to add 1.2 plus 1.43. So here, we will arrange them in vertical order, as you can see here. And you may see a gap there because one has two decimal places and the other number only one, so we'll add a 0. And don't worry, when we add a 0, the value doesn't change. So without wasting any time, let's start adding. Normally 0 plus 3 is equals to 3, as we all know, and 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, and 1 plus 1 is equals to 2. And as you can see about the point is after two decimal places. So in our sum, we'll put point after two decimal places 2. And this is our next question, 2.8 plus 4.21. And we'll start with the steps which I told. So 2.8 plus 4.21, we'll arrange them in vertical order. And as you can see, one has two decimal places and the other number has only one decimal place. So we'll add again a 0. And then we'll start adding. So 0 plus 1 equals 1 and 8 plus 2 equals 10. So 0 in the answer and 1 will go as the carryover. So 2 plus 4 is equals to 6 plus 1 is 7. And the point we have after two decimal places, so we'll put it in our sum after two decimal places 2. And this is the sum. And this is for the special audience who stayed till here. And or feel free to pause this and solve. So did you solve? Let's check the answer. So 2.4 plus 1.59, we will arrange it in vertical order. We will put a 0 because we have an empty space. And then we'll start adding. So 0 plus 9 is equals to 9. And 4 plus 5 is also 9 too. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. And we have point after two decimal places, so we'll put the point after two decimal places in our sum 2. So like this video if you got the same answer, and this is the correct sum. So now we have finished addition, so let's move on with subtraction. And wait till the end, I have some questions for you. So we'll start subtracting with an easy one, which is 7.28 plus minus 4.7. It is easy like addition as we did this. So first step in addition was arrange it in vertical order. So we'll follow the same steps. So we'll arrange them in vertical order. So as we have one decimal place less, so we'll add a 0 where we don't have the decimal place. So let's start subtracting. And 8 minus 0 is 8. And for 2 minus 7, when we will take 1 from 7, and 7 will become 6. And 12 minus 7 is 5. And now let's move to the 7 one. And 6 minus 4 is 2. And the point is after two decimal places, so the point will be after two decimal places in our difference 2. And this is the answer or the difference. And if it's not enough, we'll do with the another example, 19.7 minus 18.6. So we will arrange them in vertical order like we did with the previous one, and since we have no blanks in the decimal places, so we'll directly start subtracting. So 7 minus 6 is equals to 1, and 9 minus 8 is also 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. And then the point is after only one decimal place, so in our difference also we will put point after one decimal place too. And this is the difference. Was it easy? And here are some questions for the precious viewers who stayed till here. And feel free to comment the answer. To pause and comment. So 1.32 plus 4.7. You can comment the answer and let's see who will comment the right answer. So this is your first question. And we shall move on with the subtraction problem, which is 4.78 minus 1.5. And here also you can think and comment the answer. Comment the answer. And hold on. You forgot to subscribe the channel.